What if I told you that this little USB could take over your computer in seconds? Sounds like a plot straight out of a spy thriller, but this is no fiction. This is the USB Rubber Ducky. Welcome back to Hackers Insight. Today, we're stepping into the shadowy world of hackers, where nothing is quite as it seems. We're going to explore a tool that looks harmless, but can wreak havoc in the blink of an eye. This is a story of how hackers can use a simple USB to control your device without you ever knowing. So, what exactly is this thing? I mean, at first glance, it's just a regular USB drive, right? But don't be fooled, inside, it's anything but ordinary. The USB Rubber Ducky is a keystroke injection tool. Think of it as a keyboard, one that types faster than any human and executes commands faster than you can blink. Computers automatically trust keyboards, they don't question them. And that's where the danger lies. This little device can send a script of commands that could do anything from opening up a terminal to installing malware or even creating a backdoor into your system. But how does it work? Let's break it down. The moment the USB Rubber Ducky is plugged in, it starts executing its script. It could be as simple as opening a browser or as complex as a series of commands designed to compromise your security. And the key to its success? Speed and stealth. The scripts are written in a language called Ducky Script. It's simple, easy to customize, and with just a little creativity, a hacker can craft a script that does exactly what they want in seconds. So, where does the USB Rubber Ducky strike? Let's walk through some scenarios, and trust me, they're closer to reality than you might think. Picture this, an office. A hacker gains access to an employee's desk, just for a few seconds. They plug in the Rubber Ducky, and within a minute, a keylogger is installed. Every keystroke that employee types is now sent directly to the hacker's server. Or imagine a public place, a library, a coffee shop. A hacker leaves the Rubber Ducky lying around. An unsuspecting person picks it up, plugs it into their laptop, curious, unaware that they just compromised their device. These are just a couple of examples, but the possibilities are endless. The simplicity is what makes it so dangerous. Alright, by now, you're probably wondering, how can I protect myself from this? The good news is, there are ways to defend against USB Rubber Ducky attacks. First, be cautious. If you don't know where a USB drive came from, don't use it. Second, use software that detects suspicious USB activity. Some security programs can alert you if a device is trying to act like a keyboard when it shouldn't. Third, disable USB ports on devices that don't need them. Especially in businesses where sensitive data is at risk. And remember, keep your operating system and security software up to date. Many modern systems have built-in defenses, but they only work if you're running the latest versions. Now, let's switch gears a bit. While the USB Rubber Ducky is often associated with malicious hacking, it's also a powerful tool for ethical hackers. Penetration testers use the Rubber Ducky to simulate real-world attacks, identifying vulnerabilities before the bad guys can. By doing so, they help organizations strengthen their security and protect against these very threats. So, while the USB Rubber Ducky can be dangerous in the wrong hands, it's also an essential tool for making our digital world safer. In the end, the USB Rubber Ducky is a reminder of how quickly technology can be turned against us. But with the right knowledge and precautions, you can stay one step ahead of potential threats. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of hacking and cybersecurity. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.